Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to use a different camera. So here's what my battery's sitting at. 12.6. After hooking that up. So let's go ahead and start this. What's this saying? It's saying 12.5. 12.6, 12.5, whatever. Alright, let's come over here and grab the keys. Got everything done. Alright. Let's fire it up. Oh, come on. Voltage is going straight up. 14 volts. What we got on here? 14.1. This is probably the true voltage here. Yeah, I'm all about this, man. All the equipment just kicked on. Come on, focus, you slut. Alright. Let's put a disc in. Okay, 14.1.
I'm a street nigga with money, and it's all. Yeah, she only fuck niggas with money, and it's all. Yes, I'ma keep that shit 100, and it's all. Yes, and this watch you cost 100, and it's all. Yeah, I'm a street nigga with money, and it's all. Yeah, she only.
This is awesome, guys. So that's pretty accurate. 14.2. Another one on here. Full battery. $14.2. Alright, let's get out of this. Let's go into Bluetooth. Let's fire this up. I got a frequency thing. Start off low. I don't hear it. $34. See what they're doing. You're barely moving. Let's go on. This volume's up. Alright, we're moving. Let's go back here. Fucker. Okay. God damn it. 22. Damn. So from like 66 Damn. This fucker is musical as shit. When you hit about, let's see here, 26. From 26 to 56. It's fucking intense. 26 to 56. Alright, fucking around with the voltage. Let's go back in. 12.29. My voltage is way up, guys. Way up. Another verifier. 14.2. So as this car sits here and idles, it just seems to be getting more and more. I mean, fuck, I'll be happy to keep going up to 14.4, 14.3. It's damn near 14.3. I'm gonna let this run wire clean up and see if I can get it up to that. I'm gonna shut the stereo off. Okay, system's down. Yeah, I know, I get the pop sound. We'll let this idle. And we'll keep an eye. Look, it's up to 14.34. God damn. Hold on, I'll be right back. I think that's my final resting voltage. 14.33. So, yes, I'm fucking pleased with that. With that being said, I'm gonna exit the app, close it down. Everything's turned on. We'll shut her down. And yeah, it's fused. I have fuses to each battery, but that's not actually fused itself. So now I just shut the motor off. And I'm at 13.5. Now of course it's dropping. But I don't know, man. I think that's gonna do me right for the power I need. Just remember, guys, I don't have I have a stock alt. And you see the fucking problem it is to get into there. It's absolutely fucking ridiculous to put an alternator in this. So try to take as much stress off that alternator as I fucking can, so it doesn't bog out on me. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Peace.